DEERC D20 Mini Drone for kids with 720p HD FPV camera, remote control, toys, gifts for boys, girls with altitude hold, headless mode, 1 key start speed adjustment, 3D flips, 2 batteries, silver, black, blue, silver. Brand DEERC. Model name D20. Age range, description, 14.00. Color silver. Video capture resolution HD 720p. Skill level beginners. Item weight 69 grams. Battery capacity 0.51 watt-hours. Control type remote control. Media type SD. See more about this item. HD pictures and live videos. D20 equipped with 720p HD Wi-Fi camera to take better aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can see the sky from a live video feed through smartphone app. Best drone toy for kids. Fly D20 is magically simple. Just tap the 1 key start/landing button to start the fly. Altitude hold can maintain the drone at a certain height, which makes it so easy to control and take high-quality footage. Powerful and safe. Features with low power alarm, emergency